Okay, for this lesson on exponents, we're going to first start by indicating what is a base and what is a power. When you're working with exponents, usually there is a base number which is larger, and then there's the power which is a little smaller. So in this case, the base is 5 and the power there is 2. Before we start really working with exponents, I'd like to first address common problems. In this case, it's 3 to the 4th power and 2 to the 3rd power and 8 to the 2nd power. A lot of students mistake these as things that you multiply, but it's not 3 times 4, which is 12. What this actually means is this will be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So it's 3 multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that's why we have the 4 here. 2 to the 3rd power is then 2 times 2 times 2. So you see 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. And here it's not 8 times 2 equals 16, but rather 8 times 8. After you've shown out your answer in an exponential form, then comes the process of simplifying. In this case, 8 times 8 is probably the easiest, 64. But this might actually, a little tip might be actually to simplify one operation and then do the others. For example, 2 times 2 is 4, and then that times 2 will be 8, which is 2 to the 3rd power. And this is 8 to the 2nd. Over here also it might be kind of hard to do these 3's together, so I'm just going to simplify these two to be 9 times 9, and that is 81. So that's the same as 3 to the 4th power. Okay, this will be the last lesson, and this is using examples with the order of operations. And actually you'll do kind of similar processes and approaches as you do in algebra with the order of operations, which is PEM DAS. We do what's inside the parentheses here first, so we have the parentheses here and here, but we also have some exponents inside. So I'm just going to simplify this first, and the 6 squared actually will be 6 times 6, which is 36. And then we hold off on the subtraction because that comes last. We're going to do the multiplying first. I'm going to have 3 times 6, which is 18. And I'm going to keep the parentheses just to kind of help me be organized. Keep 1/2 on the outside and keep on simplifying that. 36 minus 18 is 18. Still the funky 8s I'm making. And then 1/2 of 18, or 1/2 times 18. Well, actually, if you just multiply across, you'll get 18 over 2, which is 9. So the order of operations is also still relevant with exponents, so you want to solve them early in the process along with parentheses when you're solving expressions and equations with exponents in them.